how to fix Better Discord themes not working. So if you want to fix Better Discord themes not working, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord, and then you need to go with the user settings, which will be in the bottom left. And now you just need to simply scroll down, and then you need to tap on the appearance option. Now go ahead and navigate to the themes folder to make sure your theme file is directly inside that folder and is not a zip or a subfolder. Also, in theme section, make sure that the themes toggle button is turned on. If not, then go ahead and enable the themes toggle button. And some themes break after Discord update. So you can go ahead and open a new tab and then search for Better Discord theme library, and then go ahead and download any updated version of your theme. See if that fixes your issue or not. And if not, then make sure that the device that you are using Discord in is up to date to its latest version. As if you are using an outdated version, then you might face various glitches in the apps and softwares. So these were the few fixes on how you can fix your Better themes not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.